Guys, today we're going to be working on this 2015 F-150 Larian. Really beautiful truck. Issue it's having is that the fuel pump, the low side went out. There's a high pressure fuel pump in the front on this 3.5 EcoBoost, but that's not the issue. I connected the scanner, and that's why it's good to have a good scanner, because I can see both pressure, the desired pressure, and then what's the actual current pressure. And we saw that there is not enough being pushed from the low side, so the high pressure fuel in the front can do its work. So yeah, I'll show you once the tank is down. We got to empty it real quick because I am not going to be fighting with this fuel tank when it's full. First thing we're going to do is come down here and take this clip off. There's a hose as well. It goes in there. That hose that I just took out, it goes in here. Push it back, right? That's the first step. All right, second step is going in here and taking that fuel pressure sensor or fuel sensor, right? Okay, I lied. First step is this. Take the battery off. All right, closer to the front of the tank, you have this and this. You're gonna disconnect both of them, this one and this one. And when taking it off, don't be underneath. Be careful. Some gas might come out, so be careful with your eyes. All right, you're gonna put a support. Some people put 2 jacks. Mine, I know for a fact this is good enough. You're gonna take the bolts that hold the clamp. There's 2, one on each side. All right, lower the tank enough to disconnect 1, 2, 3 plugs, and either this side or the other side of like that. All right, once those 4 clips are out, you're gonna hit the metal cap with a hammer and a screwdriver or something soft, and you'll see the grooves go against it. The pump will come out. The pump has a clip, has this, then this needs to be press and pull. All right, let's put the new one in after cleaning a little bit of all this gunk. All right, now we're gonna do things in reverse. Gonna lift it, put the 2 bands in the front. Again, we're gonna connect this. I'm gonna give it a tug after it's secure, and the other one over here. Sorry, it's a little hard. All right, the other one over here, same thing. Gonna give it a tug once it's clipped, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. And then last step, put the hose back in the pipe to be able to fill the gas and tighten the clamp. That's a 7 for mine. And the plug, that was the first thing. Okay, now for real. Now it's the last thing, this. Just like that, turns on, you're good. Now we're gonna clear codes, so there's no more codes for the fuel pressure issue. And then yeah, another happy customer. Yeah, as always, if you need anything, reliable, fast, professional work, let me know.